Moment of truth, boys. How is that gonna work? Oh my! People say you need to work hard for something or to get rich and grow a garden. But me? No, 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 no. Fuck that shit. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yo! Thank you. First, I had to make an account and I made it a girl account. Come on, give me that mango. Give me that mango. Yo, easy ass lick. That shit was so easy. Thank you, sir. That was so easy. Can I have a fruit?
I'll take anything.
Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? Easy lick. Holy shit, I'm rich. Yo. Can I have something? I'll take anything. Oh, Spider-Man. Is he gonna give it to me? 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 cactus licked out of that guy, man. A trillion? What? 1 trillion shekels? Bro has no life, literally, bro.
Can I have fruit? Please, please. Can I have a fruit? Give me a fruit. Oh, bamboo.
Nah. That shit is mid. But you know, I'll take anything, even if it's ass. Alright, it's time to sell it. After some few failed attempts, it's time to see how it's worth. Come on. How much? How much? Oh, damn! Almost 1 billion? And the fact I did all of that money without even planting anything? Yo, thank you so much guys for watching. Lesson of the day, work smarter, not harder. AKA, just beg.